Welcome back to Fact Fusion Network. Today, we're diving into one of the most essential components of our planet, the Earth's atmosphere. This invisible layer not only makes life possible but also protects us in more ways than you might think. Stick around to find out how this protective blanket works and why it's crucial to life as we know it. What is Earth's atmosphere? So, what exactly is Earth's atmosphere? The atmosphere is a thin layer of gases surrounding the Earth. Though it may seem endless when you look up at the sky, it's actually incredibly fragile and relatively thin. But despite its thinness, it plays a massive role in sustaining life. Our atmosphere is made up of several layers, each serving different functions. From the air we breathe to the way weather patterns form, the atmosphere is always hard at work. Composition of the atmosphere. Let's break it down. About 78% of the atmosphere is nitrogen, 21% is oxygen, and the remaining 1% consists of other gases like argon, carbon dioxide, and trace gases. Oxygen, of course, is essential for breathing, but what about nitrogen? While it doesn't directly support life, nitrogen plays a vital role in processes like the nitrogen cycle, which helps fertilize plants. How the atmosphere supports life. Now, let's talk about how the atmosphere supports life. First off, it contains the oxygen we need to survive. Every time you take a breath, you're drawing in this vital gas, which your body uses to produce energy. Plants also rely on the atmosphere for carbon dioxide, which they convert into oxygen through photosynthesis. This cycle keeps the levels of oxygen and carbon dioxide in balance. The atmosphere also helps regulate the Earth's water cycle, which is crucial for life. It allows water to evaporate from the surface, form clouds, and return as precipitation. Without this process, ecosystems would collapse. How the atmosphere protects us. But did you know that the atmosphere is also our planet's defense shield? One of its most important jobs is protecting us from meteoroids. When space rocks enter Earth's atmosphere, they burn up due to friction, turning into harmless particles before they can reach the ground. Another key role the atmosphere plays is blocking harmful radiation from the sun. The ozone layer, located in the stratosphere, absorbs the majority of the sun's dangerous ultraviolet UV rays. Without this layer, life on Earth would be exposed to harmful radiation, leading to severe health issues like skin cancer. The greenhouse effect, Earth's temperature control. The atmosphere also acts like a thermostat for Earth through what's known as the greenhouse effect. Certain gases, like carbon dioxide and methane, trap heat from the sun, keeping the planet warm enough to support life. Without this natural greenhouse effect, Earth's average temperature would be a freezing -18 degrees Celsius or 0 degrees Fahrenheit. However, human activities are increasing the amount of greenhouse gases, causing global warming, a major concern for the future of our climate. Layers of the atmosphere and their functions. Let's take a quick tour through the layers of the atmosphere. Troposphere, this is the layer closest to Earth, where we live and where all weather occurs. It's about 8 to 15 kilometers thick. Stratosphere, above the troposphere lies the stratosphere, which contains the ozone layer that protects us from UV rays. Mesosphere, next is the Mesosphere, where meteoroids burn up. Thermosphere, the thermosphere is where the northern and southern lights occur, and where the International Space Station orbits. Exosphere, the outermost layer, blending into space, where satellites orbit Earth. The importance of preserving the atmosphere. As essential as the atmosphere is, it's also fragile. Human activities like burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and pollution are putting immense pressure on it. The thinning of the ozone layer, air pollution, and climate change are just some of the problems we face today, but it's not too late. By adopting sustainable practices like reducing carbon emissions, using renewable energy, and protecting forests, we can help preserve the atmosphere for future generations. The Earth's atmosphere is much more than just the air we breathe. It's a complex system that supports life, protects us from dangers, and keeps our planet's climate stable. Let's do our part to protect it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fascinating science content right here on Fact Fusion Network. See you in the next one.